What's up, dudes? Got you that Patreon daily. Loading these bubbies. They're all loaded. We're leaving. It's about 6:45 a.m. So we're going to go up to Lake Murray. Get some riding done, boys. Get y'all some footage. Have some fun. Almost there, fellas. Gotta stop a quick trip because I got my wife and kids, so gotta stop a quick trip. Ready to get Taylor?
You scared me. Oh my gosh.
Oops. Well, it usually works better if I slam the hell out of the brakes, but I got this trailer. My truck will downshift like 3 times if I do that. Got Parker and the kids. Freaking made it, dudes. Unload these puppies.
Can't even look at a bike without looking like this. I know, covered in shit.
Yeah, everything's covered in shit. These ours?
Yeah. You want a sandwich?
Brought to you guys by Pepsi.
Oh shit, Parker.
Good job, son. You're alright. So just leave it right there. You don't have to get on it. Start it up. Let it walk itself up the hill for you. You got it? Okay, hey, Bubba. Aim down. Aim your front tire down this way and just roll it down the hill first, bud. Nice. My wheel. Patreon daily right here. Sunk the freaking BW, chucked it. We get there, blaster didn't want to start. We fixed that little ignition wire fell off. This boy rode that blaster. Look at him back here. He all asleep like, passed out on his little baby brother, and they're sleeping back there because he done ate him a couple sandwiches. and he got tired. I appreciate you guys watching. Be sure and get up in there, dudes. We're gonna have to get a good ride together soon with a bunch of you guys. So we met a couple subscribers from YouTube today. That was fun riding with the guys. Joe came out and rode, and Resh, Austin and his wife Amanda is her name, right? And their kids, their little girl, freaking on that TRX 90 is pretty much unstoppable. So every time I'd look back worried for her, she'd like zigzag through these big ass rocks and these boulders, dude, like stuff that you should mud, whatever you think that was gonna slow that little girl down. And it wasn't like she just barreled through it. She like just precision in there, riding right around it on that TRX 90. So that was pretty nice. She rides a lot better than her dad, that's for sure. Oh, Brody and his dad came out. Steven?
Brody and Steven, yes.
Brody and Steven came out and rode with us too, man. So there's a good group of guys out there riding, and it was fun. I mean, legally, I'm not even supposed to make videos on Sunday because it's Sunday and legal stuff, but I'll probably do it, you guys, so I appreciate it. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed your Patreon daily. Tomorrow's Easter, so I want you guys to have a good Easter and enjoy it with your family and friends. I probably take the day off, I hope. I don't do that very often, but then again, taking the day off, that means staying home with friends and family, or just going to get a bike or going to get bikes. That's a day off. You know what I mean? But I appreciate it, guys, and I wish you a happy Easter, and remember what it's all about.